I just found out the holy grail perfect ultimate motorcycle to reduce all of your stress from the day, from the work week, the month, the year, forever. Let's go on a ride. Let me tell you what it is. Man, this week has been crazy. My bike, it's running, but it's not working exactly how I want. The battery's not charging properly. I was going through and messing with the stator and the regulator rectifier and wires and fuses and all this different stuff, and undid the primary case a bunch of times and all this, and I couldn't find the answer. And on top of that, I was working 6 out of the 7 days this week, and I was planning YouTube videos and doing everything with that and trying to think, where is this going to go, this YouTube thing and all that, and a lot of questions, and it just kind of builds up into a ball of stress. And most people think getting rid of that stress, you got to finish the projects like the bike or the YouTube channel, or you got to get a new bike because this one doesn't work and that'll relieve your stress, or you just get to the end of the week and then you're good. But there's always a next week, there's always a better bike, and there's always the next video. And I realized it's much more simple than that. For me, I think the best stress release is just hopping on the bike and going. And that leads me to the ultimate stress relieving motorcycle. What is it? You're probably gonna think it's either, he's gonna say a Royal Enfield, or he's gonna say, a Honda Goldwing, or an Indian, or a Ducati, or a Harley, or whatever else. But no, that's not it. The best stress relieving motorcycle is the one that's already in your garage. There's no magic answer to reduce your stress for your work or any issue that you have. Issues are always going to be around, and that's kind of something I've realized this week. It doesn't ever really go away, it just keeps happening. And I'm not saying you shouldn't address these issues. You should try to, complete stuff and get stuff done, but there's no reason to worry about it because it's always going to be happening. But the way to get rid of that stress is to hop on a bike and take a ride to nowhere. And I was mentioning, there's so much wrong with this bike, but it doesn't need to get fixed today. And there's all these questions about the YouTube thing, and I don't need to make 20 videos in one day or have the answers for what I want to do with this. There is no magic answer, but I know after this ride, I feel better than I did this morning. You have to give yourself an opportunity to stop chasing things and just hit the road for an hour. Go to nowhere. I think that's the answer.